Let's deploy an app with Kuberns. First, sign up for a free Kuberns account. Create a new project. Select Connect Custom Repository and click Continue. Connect your GitHub account and select the repository you want to deploy. Give your service a name, choose where you want it hosted, and pick a pricing plan that works for you. Add your environment variables. Ready? Hit deploy. Now the deployment agent is getting started. Now the AI agent takes over, analyzing your application, preparing the infrastructure, provisioning the resources, and orchestrating the entire deployment automatically. And just like that, your application is live and ready to use. From this single dashboard, you can monitor your application, scale whenever you need, explore live logs, configure custom domains, manage environment variables, and everything else required to run your application with confidence. Cloud deployment made simple with agentic AI. Welcome to Kuberns.